Welcome to class number 18 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to look at two examples involving quadratic functions. Example 1. P is a positive number and f is the function. The f of x equals 2x plus p times x minus p, where x is an element of R. Given that the f of 2 is equal to 0, find the value of p. Hence, find the range of values of x for which the f of x is less than 0. Find the f of 2 by replacing x by 2. Tidy up, giving 4 plus p times 2 minus p. Put the f of 2 equal to 0 and solve for p. Put each bracket equal to 0 and solve for p. As p is positive, ignore the first solution, giving an answer of p is equal to 2. Write out the f of x again, replacing p by 2. Now find the values of x for which the f of x is less than 0. Follow the steps for solving a quadratic inequality. Step 1. Solve the quadratic equation to find its roots. The roots are minus 1 or 2. Step 2. Sketch the graph. Multiply out the brackets for the f of x. You can see that you have a positive coefficient for the x squared term. This means the graph is U-shaped. The roots are shown. Step 3. Use the graph to solve the inequality. As f of x is less than 0, the answer lies below the x-axis, between minus 1 and 2, but not including the roots. The answer is minus 1 is less than x is less than 2. Before doing the next functions example, you are going to learn the condition for getting equal roots. The formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation is shown. The plus or minus in front of the square root gives you the two roots. This means if the stuff inside the square root is equal to 0, you will end up with only one root. Put b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Move the minus 4ac across. The quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, or one root, if b squared is equal to 4ac. Example 2. Let the f of x equal to x squared plus ax plus t, where a and t are an element of R. Find the value of a, given that the f of minus 5 is equal to the f of minus 1. Given that there is only one value of x for which the f of x is equal to 0, find the value of t. Find the f of minus 5 by replacing x with minus 5. Tidy up. Find the f of minus 1 by replacing x with minus 1. Tidy up. Now put the f of minus 5 equal to the f of minus 1. Cancel the t's. Now solve for a. a is equal to 6. Now the function, the f of x, becomes x squared plus 6x plus t. Put this function equal to 0. This quadratic has only one root. The condition for this is b squared is equal to 4ac. Write down the coefficients a, b and c. Substitute these values into the formula. Solve for t. The answer is t is equal to 9. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.